Good morning, everybody. In last lecture, we have learned about the dual behavior of electromagnetic radiation. In continuation of that, today's today's topic is dual behavior of matter. So let's see dual behavior of matter. In this module, you will learn about the dual behavior of matter. The physicist de Broglie in 1924 proposed that just like radiation, matter also exhibit dual behavior. So dual behavior of matter are two types: particle-like behavior and wave-like behavior. So wave-like behavior, for every object has some wavelength. And for particle-like behavior, every object has some momentum. The relationship of wavelength of an object to its momentum can be shown by this formula: wavelength, that is lambda, equals to h upon p, where h is Planck constant and p is the momentum. That is also known as de Broglie equation. So relationship of wavelength of an object to its momentum can be replaced by m into b. Momentum equals to m into b. So we can replace p by m into v. So formula would be lambda equals to h upon mv. In case of macroscopic object, macro means bigger. In case of macroscopic object where m considerably large, then in case of large mass, in case of mass, if mass is large, so what happened? Wavelength will be small. So wave-like property of macroscopic object cannot be detected. If lambda means wavelength will be negligible, so you can't detect the wave-like property of macroscopic objects. But in case of microscopic object, lambda equals to h upon mb. In that case, mass of microscopic object like electron is negligibly small. So you can considerably get larger wavelength. So wave-like property of microscopic object can be detected. So this discovery of dual behavior of an electron later proved to be an important step in the formation of quantum mechanical model of an atom. In this module, you have learned de Broglie in 1924 proposed that matter exhibit dual behavior, and de Broglie related the wavelength and momentum of an object in terms of equation that is called de Broglie equation, and the equation is lambda equals to h upon p. Wave-like properties of macroscopic object cannot be detected experimentally, and wave-like property of microscopic object can be detected. Thank you. Have a nice day.